One of the questions I get a lot is, how can I buy land in Enugu when I'm not in Nigeria? The truth is that it is very possible if you do it the right way. Here is the process that I use for my diaspora clients. Firstly, we get to discuss your budget and your purpose. Now, we get to discuss the purpose of you buying that land. Are you buying the land for investment, which is land banking, for you to get capital appreciation, or you are buying the land for the purpose of you buying and building for cash flow, or you want to build for where you and your family can move in? Then secondly, I get to send you the video of the land, which you can get to see the land. I'm sending you a video, not a picture. Thirdly is the verification part, which I get to show you the document that that land carry. Is it a CO4 land, or a deed of assignment, or any other deed that the land carry, or a survey plan that you can go to the land registry and conduct your own search yourself. And I also get to show you the layout plan, where you can pick a plot for yourself. Now, fourthly, after payment, I get to give you your receipt of payment. Immediately you make payment, written your name boldly on it, the estate you buy, and also the amount you acquire that property. After that, I give you your documentation. Now, documentation is given to you 7 to 14 days after you make payment for a land. The next is we schedule a time, a day, for a physical allocation, where they get to allocate your plot for you to see your plot on ground. This way, you are not guessing, but you are buying with clarity. Most Nigerians have lost their money when they try to buy real estate in Nigeria, especially those that base abroad, because of they buy real estate in the wrong hands. And if you are watching this video and you want to start your real estate investment right here in the city of Enugu, I can help you out. All you have to do is to call or WhatsApp the number you see on your screen, 070-6728-3262, and we are going to discuss your budget and the location where you want to buy that land from. I am Freddy Chinoso, your real estate friend based in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to give you safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu.